Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change font style on iPhone. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your iPhone settings, then you need to go to the main page, then open General Options, here it is, then scroll down and find Fonts here, then System Fonts, and after that you will see the list of fonts you can download. So if you want to download some of these fonts, you need to click on that one blue button next to the name of this font, and after that this font will be downloaded. So actually there is no option to change the default font on your iPhone, but you can actually use special tricks. So you need to go back to the main page, then find accessibility option, here it is, then scroll down and find keyboards and typing, and then click on the first option, hover typing, and then you need to enable this option. After that you will see that this option is enabled. Then you need to go to the iMessage, for example, then open any chat you want, and after that if you type some message, for example hello, you will see this message with other font. And that's all, and that's how to change font style on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.